Hyena. Leopard. Both fierce predators. But who would win in a fight? Although these animals are different in some ways, they are the same in many others. They both depend on their teeth to kill prey. To decide which of the two will win, we have to look at some of the differences, like size and speed, which would impact the fight. The key differences between a leopard and a hyena are their morphology and pack behavior. Leopards are solitary big cats that have feline features, including long tails and retractable claws. Hyenas are pack animals with features similar to canines, such as a pronounced snout and a compact body, despite not being a member of any dog family. A leopard is slightly larger than a hyena. A leopard can weigh up to 198 pounds, and grow to 2.3 feet in height, and 6.2 feet long. Meanwhile, a hyena grows to 190 pounds, 3 feet tall and 5.2 feet long, with a shorter, bushier tail. They are incredibly similar in size. They both run up to 37 miles per hour. Hyenas have little in the way of physical defense. They are pack hunters. They depend highly on their pack. Together they can scare off or even kill lions. Leopards are solo hunters. They have enough speed to leave most creatures in the dust. And they are able to climb trees, avoiding most predators. And they are able to camouflage in the foliage. Hyenas are pack hunters, but they are powerful as individuals. They are capable of producing a bite force of 1,100 pounds. They have conical teeth and can easily crush the bones of their prey. Being able to shred chunks of meat and skin from animals helps them, since they are competing with animals like lions and cheetahs for a kill. Leopards have an incredible bite force and can quickly deliver a fatal bite to the neck or head, ending the fight. Hyenas work as a group to weaken their prey by tiring and wearing its energy and eventually killing it. They are not above stealing a kill either. A leopard is an ambush predator unique in its hunting. Most big cats ambush prey from a distance and chase it down. A leopard sneaks up as close as possible, then lunges into attack, catching its prey by surprise. So who would win? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.